Ezra.
What?
I have a question for the Junior Ranger.
Okay, what is it?
Why is it important for us to make sure we stay on the trail?
So we don't step on the plants.
Yes, there's some fragile plants up here, and we don't want to crush them and ruin them.
Let's keep hiking.
All right. Hey, Junior Ranger, I have another question. What's that stick for?
So we don't fall.
Oh. Hey, Ezra, I have another question. How do we know we're on the trail? Oh, are there any near us?
Right there.
Oh, silly me. I didn't see it right there. Glad you're here with me to help guide the way. Hey, Ezra, I have one more question. Is it important to wear good hiking shoes? Yeah, why?
So we don't fall.
Ah, do you have good grippy shoes? Those are nice.
And you do.
Yeah, check those out.
And if you guys want me to do this to her,
No. No. We don't sword fight. Get out. Howdy, folks. Auntie Manda here. And I'm going to show you how to make a whistle out of an acorn cap. So you find an acorn cap on the ground. Pretty cool. You just put your hands like this with your thumbs and then blow. That hurt my ear. All right, Ezra, what do you say?
folks smash that subscribe button and then we're done.
Woo!
What's up, guys? Today I'm hiking and we just made it to the top and we were just having a picnic and now we're done.
And we hiked Great Pond Mountain.
And she's gonna do a funny face. So if you wanna see the funny face, give me a thumbs up.
Wow, that's a funny face. Let's see mine.
And that was hers. And now
we're gonna high five each other at the top of the mountain. Ready? High five! Woo! Pretty cool.
And now we're gonna show you the view of the mountain.
And these are our hiking sticks. You're not pointing it at me. You gotta look in the camera. There you go. And these are our hiking sticks. That way we make sure we don't fall while we're hiking.
And I'll go show you the view now.
All right. Ready?
No. And Hulk smash that subscribe button and then we're done. Guys, today I'm hiking and we just got at the top, but now we're hiking down. And when you guys are hiking, if you see a blue, you have to look for blue blazes, and that means you're on the trail. And now someone else is gonna come in it.
Howdy, folks. I'm his Auntie Amanda.
And she's crazy. And Eli won't be here with me today. He's at school.
Ezra's giving you pointers how to not get lost when you're hiking and how to find a cool hiking stick. Cool hiking stick. That's so you don't trip when you're hiking.
Yeah, like, whoa!
Whoop. Exactly. You don't need no broken knees or ankles.
And if you want me to do this to her,
No.
then do a thumbs up.
No. Thumbs down.
If you do a thumbs, and she just wants you to do a thumbs down because she doesn't want me to do that.
No.
And Hulk smash that subscribe button, and then we're done.
Woo.